to go. Let's do this. Let's go to the entrance real quick. Evergreen Cemetery, 1816.
I was stationed here.
Oops, sorry. Hang on, Spirit. Did I shut you off? Are you still on? There we go. Spirit Tucker on. I came into the cemetery right away. This woman lived to be 101. Outlived her daughter. That's crazy. So today, my cemetery walk is in Barrington, Illinois. This is my walking cemetery. I come here all the time to get my steps in. So I thought I'd come here today. It's been a while since I've seen my friends. Good morning, everybody. All right, so Evergreen Cemetery.
Leo.
Who's Leo? This was, that's crazy. Look at this thing. 1816 was on the sign. It's a little not good. There is this stone around here. I almost fell in a ditch. Look at, so old. The lame family, lamey. They're so lame. Good morning, everybody.
Evelyn.
Hi, Evelyn. This ain't good. Oh, this is... Boy, of all the times I've walked in this cemetery, I don't remember seeing this. Well, that's cool. So again, this is Evergreen Cemetery, Barrington, Illinois. I come here a lot in the summer to get my steps in.
Lame.
I just said lame. I hope everybody who lives in the Midwest survived the tornadoes last night. I actually was laid in bed when the sirens went off, but my kitty cat was on me, and by kitty cat law, I'm not allowed to get up. So I just laid in bed. There was a tornado, apparently, they say, in Elgin, which is the next town over from me. Is this it? There is somebody here who has my birthday. I remember seeing her last summer. I can't find her right now. So yeah, the tornado took off.
Shot.
You were shot? Took off the church roof. The church was over 100 years old, so that's sad. I hate the young ones. The young ones make me cry. There is a baby section here too. We'll take a walk over there. November 4th, close, but not close enough.
Ask.
Ask what? This cemetery has no rhyme or reason to it. There's just like stones placed everywhere. It's so weird. It is really windy, so I hope you can hear me. Hopefully no trees will fall on me while I'm walking. Holy cow. Brutal. I was going to wear a short sleeve shirt too. I'm glad I didn't. I almost, look at it, I almost did a Dick Van Dyke. I almost fell right over that. Once again, my kids are MIA. I don't know where they go off to. They're somewhere in here. Into a vortex? Wouldn't that be funny? Not really. Oh shoot, I forgot to turn my stepper on. I'm sure I get enough steps in today. Because if I can't climb the stairs if I can't climb the stairs at St. Augustine Lighthouse, I'm in big trouble. I have till May to get in shape, get those stairs in my routine. Anybody ever been to St. Augustine Lighthouse? Oh yeah, well, let's work our way to the baby section. Last time I was here, I remember there being a big hole in the ground. I wonder if they filled it in already. Hey Dewey, I survived the tornado. We know how Krista's doing.
Violet.
I love dumplings. I don't like dumplings. I never was a Comfort. Why does that name sound familiar to me? Is it in here? Yeah. Alright. Baby section's right here. Don't trip. Don't trip. You didn't even tell it's the baby section.
Little girl around you.
Oh, that's nice. Hi, little girl. It's like, it doesn't even look like these. I don't even can't read these. appreciate it. Not necessary. I just do this for fun.
Devil.
No, 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 no. No devil here. It goes all the way back to there. You know, I could almost live in a cemetery if I could afford one of these houses. That probably go for like $1 million. Because it's Barrington. You are. Yes, Stewie, you're an angel.
It's time to be careful.
Oh, I'm being careful. I'm always careful. Oh, little empty snow globe there. And then there's all these. Oh my gosh! I can see why you said be careful. I just tripped on a stone. Like it's like they're forgotten. They're just like placed in some random spot to be forgotten about. It's horrible. It's horrible. I don't like it. Like it's like why are you over here? 51, 52, 53. Oh, I think I remember seeing some stones where all these kids died like 1 year apart. And if that happened in today's world,
The shadows are me.
yeah, that's me, my shadow. You need to investigate. It's like, what did these parents do that their kids just died 1 year apart? My church seating? There's no seating. Oh, somebody just planted a new tree. If you guys missed it at the very beginning of the live, oh, I have to go back. I came across a stone where the woman was 101. It's like 1865 to 1966. I had to look at it like really closely. I was so confused. Back then, people didn't live to 101. There's a Mildred in here, guys. My damn fam. There's a Mildred.
Concentrate.
I am concentrating. Concentrating not slipping on any more stones. Was it this area? Yeah, concentrate. I know. I'm concentrating. I'm going to go find my Mildred. Sorry, what? Cut what? I feel like I'm in an episode of Buffy.
$1900s.
I'm from the 1900s. Oh, I think this is where they filled a hole in. Last year there was a huge hole, so I think they finally filled it in. No, there was no body under there. I looked. That's what she said. Okay. Oh, that's weird. Okay. Jack Daniel. Look at these oldies. There's so many old ones here. I mean, ooh, Hello. This is like the older section, and then way over there past that flag is the new section, where I'm sure we'll find a lot of new graves. Freshies. Okay, Mildred, I know you're around here somewhere.
My name is Dorothy.
Okay, Dorothy, but where's Mildred? Jesus. Mildred, where are you? I know you're here somewhere. I think she's down here. Thank you, Ellen.
Pirates.
Not here. No one-eyed Willie in this graveyard. Cemetery, whatever. Church is across the street. So, this would be a cemetery. Where's Mildred? I know she was around here somewhere. Oh, she hiding on me, man. She hiding. It's really, what the, these stones are like placed so randomly. They don't face the same way. Sideways, southward, westward, north. What? Oh, there's my big M. That means there's $1 million over that grave.
I want you out.
Sure you do. But I'd have to find my daughters first.
You're safe here.
Wait, do you want me out? But I'm safe. Gotcha. The big cemetery. No mausoleums. No crypts. Just some nice stones. Lots of old ones. My kids, you know, they don't want me on live, so they I literally think they take off in the opposite direction. Do anything they can to avoid me. Woo, so windy. There's the M.
$19.
Man, this one looks like it's about to fall. Yeah,
The ground.
yeah, they're like 27, 28. They're not gonna want their mommy. I'm really shocked that my daughter wants to travel with me. She's treating me to St. Augustine in May. Like, who wants to travel with their mother? I swear, maybe she thinks I'm dying. I mean, it's possible. Okay, let's go this way. See what we can find. I know there's going to be some freshies down this way. Oh shoot, there is one section that has my favorite memorial. But we go this way. Try to stay away from all the visitors. like there's a red van over there. At least it's not white. I'd be worried. I know freshies. Well, isn't that what they say in Casper? They're freshies. Alright, so if there's a van down there.
Be quiet and listen.
Okay, sorry. My bad. I really want to go down to the news section though. We're doing it. We're going. This is interesting. I remember seeing a grave with olives, like a jar of olives on it. I wonder what that means. They really like olives? Does it mean something? Wait. Why is it saying invite Krista? And I can't even do anything about it. You're
Concern.
brushing you're brushing. Wait, I'm brushing my tooth. Hang on. I only have one, but I'll be right back. You have more than I do. No, I'm kidding. It's like no matter how much you take care of it, you're still gonna lose it. I had braces for six freaking years.
Let us rest.
I'm trying to. They're still not crooked. They're going crooked again. Oh, there you go. There's one. Thanks, Krista. How's your stores? Oh my God, it's so windy. I know, right? The wind is brutal. And then there's a train. I'm trying to go against the wind so you don't hear it as much. I'm trying to keep my lips up to the phone so you can hear me.
Carmilla.
Okay. I'm a dork. It's okay. I get it. I can see the train. I don't know if you can see the train, but I can see the top of it. Oh my God. Okay, I have to walk sideways. Where the freak are my girls? The last time I came here, there was 2 boys playing Ghosts in the Graveyard. I thought it was the best thing ever. Because you just don't see that anymore. You have others.
Spanish donkey.
What is that? What does that mean? Oh wait, and now a commuter train. Oh, these people at Barrington, I feel so bad for them. I would never live near train tracks. I would live there. Okay, oh geez. Don't say moist. The grass is a little moist, yes. Oh boy. Yeah, see this is right here.
Gentleness.
Oh wow. Oh, and by the way, I am in Barrington to where what was his name? I just saw him last week. Pretty boy Floyd. What was his name? Babyface. Was it Babyface? He was gunned down here, right in Barrington. I just wish I knew the actual spot. this is definitely where you're going to get the newbies. There's a bird on top of that one. Jeez, these trains. What pretty flowers. I wonder if they're real. No, fake. So yeah, definitely the news section here. Sounds like a helicopter, not a train.
Cross.
What the flip? So see those, what I thought were apartments, which gives you great access to the cemetery here. Those things go for $400,000. They're 2 stories. I did not know they were 2 stories. Because I'm like, hey, I'm going to sell my house. I'm going to move over here. Because that way I can walk the cemetery all the time. But no, I would never be able to afford that. What the? Jeez. It's a big boot. You know what they say about big feet? I think it's is it against well, Krista, you're gonna find out. Yeah, it does move. It does.
Evelyn.
All right. Wait. I see them. I see them. Okay. I'm actually going that way too. So I want to go see my favorite.
You should dig here.
I'm not digging. Are you nuts? I don't like when spirits yell at me. Okay. I found the grave. Hang on. And here it comes. Do you see, guys? You guys see it? This lasted all winter. They survived. I don't know the meaning of those olives. Got my hair in my mouth. So windy. Okay, I see them. Oh, I'm gonna come up on them. Okay. So the soldiers, obviously.
Miscarriage.
Yeah. I'm sorry. Had a couple myself. Okay. Do I scare them? Oh shoot. I don't want them to see me. They saw me. I got him!
No, get out.
I'm sorry. Disrespectful. Okay. Here's mine. This is mine. Look at that. I love it. The summer with all the flowers on it. Yeah, this wind's killing me. Whew. I agree. Very pretty.
All is well.
Good to know. Especially in the summer with the flowers. Alright. Where to next? Hi. Uh-oh. That was weird. I think Spirit's messing with me. Time to climb the hill. At least there's no snow on it. That's how windy it is. I can't see anything.
Scratch.
Oh, Jesus. Trying to take my little tablet out of my hand. I love the ones with pictures on them. Do you see this one? What a beautiful couple. I know. I don't know. I guess olives were their favorite. I gotta go look into that. What's with the olive? There's gotta be some type of significance to that. Okay, up the hill we go. Here we go. I'll get to the top and then give you a view. Okay. That's weird. Like, where'd it come from? Gosh darn this wind. Woo!
150 years.
Al Capone would never mistreat me. Okay. I just hit part of the warm sun. Now I'm hot. Do I go in the shade where it's cold? Or the sun? So I can sweat. Wow, I think it's hot. I don't even know what temperature it is.
Morris.
Who's Morse the cat? Mr. Sandman, bring me a dream. There's a lot more of this place. Oh yeah, but I'm gonna go here to see this guy. Is he headless? I think he's headless. Wait, is he?
Gratitude.
can't even see my screen right now. Okay, here we go. Talk about wanting their privacy. Interesting.
We will make a noise.
You do that. That's kind of beautiful. Hidden behind these bushes. Oh, there's a couple more here too. Wow. That's crazy. Jeez. Okay. I dig it. I dig it.
Holly.
Who's Holly? I don't know Holly. I really don't go over on this side much. So I think I'm gonna take a little stroll. Check out some of these. Hey, we got Jenny ice cream in here or what? I can't see. I see somebody. TWL too? Oh my God. I miss you, girl. Okay. Jeez. Right in the mud.
Deliberate.
Oh, how cute. Let's go check you out.
Move towards the noise.
I'm all around the noise. It's windy here. Oh. That's a young one.
Look, I'm here.
This one seems fresh too.
I'm buried down the road.
You're buried down the road? I was already on that section. 2021 and it looks like this still.
Coffee.
I don't drink coffee, sorry. Not a coffee person. Yeah, sorry. I just don't like coffee. I think it tastes weird. I'm like the damn it man. I like my Mountain Dew. Actually, I'm more into pineapple Fanta right now. Fanta pineapple. Very bad for me. And probably why I weigh way too much now. And it doesn't help that I sit at my desk. Yeah, I sit at my desk for 10 hours. Too busy to get up and pee. Stop blowing. I know there's someone who's 100 somewhere around here. That's not what he said.
Use camera.
I can't right now. I will come back and take pictures. I know you're here somewhere.
Shush.
I'm not saying anything. Ooh, we got a newbie.
Please leave here.
Trying to find somebody that was 100 years old. 18. There you are. There you are. Hello, Elsie. Lived a good long time. Try not to eat my beard. Alright, so next week I plan on going to a cemetery where my husband's grandparents are buried. They have lots of mausoleums. We were going to go there today, but we got company coming. "96 is a good, that's a good long life. My mom is 90.
Agatha.
No, her name's Irene. And she's going pretty strong. Like, I can see her pushing 100. My dad, he's 87. Very
The
fit,
children play games.
but he still mows the lawn, he still shovels the driveway. I can only hope to be like that. But at 60, I can really get off the couch and go, oh, it hurts. Okay. Which is why I need to get out here more. Very windy in the Midwest, yes.
Shot.
So I want to go this way, but I saw a couple cars come in. People, don't you realize I want to be here by myself? Like I said, we had tornado sirens go off, but I just laid in bed because my cat was on me, and I didn't want to disturb her.
Ruination.
You know, there's a cat law that says you're not supposed to get up if you have a cat on you. So, I didn't move. Happy 30th birthday. Oh, wow. Okay. Happy birthday, Sarah. Alright, there's a car over there, so now I have to go down. I wanted to go up. We'll go across.
Yes, I'm listening.
I appreciate that. Oh, this wind. Hang on, guys. It's brutal. I need to hide behind a tree. Should I hug it? Should I hug the tree? It's got splinters. I don't know if I want to. I'll just shoulder it. quiet. I tried to hug it. It had splinters. Yeah, it was not a trustworthy tree. No, no, no. Random wood, huh?
9.
Yes, it's been 9 long years since I've hugged a wood. I used to have these in my childhood home. With these little bins that we throw to them. Very little. Is it? I don't know. I think it's the wind. My hands are actually at the side.
Dining room.
And I think this is this the microphone right here. Can you hear me? Or is it up here? There's so many holes. That's what he said. Okay, I'm not too sure where
It
to
likes
go.
to hurt people.
That's not nice. Oh, that was me, but I've grown. I've grown a lot. I don't hurt people anymore. That was bad too. I will admit that I was a horrible, horrible kid. Try to make up for it.
I'm in my 50s.
Oh, you're lucky duck. I miss this. Now I'm in 60s. But the funny thing was, and I don't think many of you caught my live a few weeks ago when I was at Bluff City in Elgin. Lots of snow on the ground. And there's this huge hill that I wanted to get up because
It likes to hurt people.
okay, knock it off. So I wanted to see what was on top of that hill. And I climbed that sucker in my gym shoes.
Nurse.
And I kept slipping, and I had to grab onto a tree branch to yank myself up all the way.
Empowerment.
My daughters couldn't get up that hill. They're in their 20s. They couldn't get up that hill. I felt so accomplished when I did that. It was a proud moment. So how's everybody doing? Is everybody out of the clear? I mean, in the clear now? No more storms? Or
Nanny.
still got another round to go? You were there, Dewey. I know you don't remember. I think you were choking. I'm kidding. I don't think so. Oh.
Peace.
Oh, that's nice. Yeah, it rains so hard. I'm like really shocked that the ground isn't like saturated. It's actually kind of dry. Maybe it didn't rain as hard here in Barrington, but where I live, holy cow. I swear. No rhyme or reason to this. It's this great, this cemetery. Oh, I wonder if there was a stone there. There had to have been a stone right there. Oh, I think the wind has died down for a little bit.
Oracle.
Uh-oh. Uh-oh. All right, we'll stay away from that side for sure.
More.
There's more cars? Yeah, there's... Oh, whoa. Jesus, whoever that is. Hey, Pop. Kruger. It was over here already.
You remind me of someone.
It's probably me. I posted a picture of this last year.
I'm from the 1400s.
Ew, who's that? Is that Megan? Some things just don't make sense around here. Already said that? Look at this. This has to be like the old road. Because like I said, this was established in 1814. That possibly could be like the original road. Stone road. Gravel road. Whatever. It's getting cloudy. Oh, come on, you guys. I'm missing some stuff. The Yellow Brick Road. Possibly. Because right now I feel like I'm about to blow to Oz. Look, another headless one. I just like the older section way better. Obviously, for obvious reasons. I'm sure Kansas had its fair share of high winds, tornadoes. Who got all tornadoes? Missouri, Kansas.
Joan.
No, not Joan. No, there's one more. Arkansas? I think it's Arkansas. And then we had like a little bit of it don't count. Oh, hello. It's not even marked. I can see why it's called Evergreen Cemetery. Oh. I don't think this guy's gonna last much longer. Not gonna last. It's so gross. That's gross.
The children play.
The children are over there in the children's section. There was a little girl around me apparently. It's weird. I think we saw that one. Oh. You almost made it, Minnie. You almost made it. So close. Yeah, that took an hour away. Now you just got this huge empty space here. What do you do with it? Who mapped this out? Did a really bad job. What time is it here?
The battery.
Yeah, I know. I'm looking at my battery. Stop reading my mind. Here, that was a little log right on top of it. Whoa, whoa. How do I not see this? William. Huh. Cool.
You've helped me.
I did. I'm very happy about that then.
Watch out here.
Yeah, it's very muddy. You see it. Trying to step over it.
Connie.
Connie. Hey, is Connie here? Crazy. Hey, why did I look headless?
More to the history.
Yeah, I'm sure there is. I know, right? They call that ATM. Uh-oh. Why does it want me to do a puzzle piece? Get it. I'm being punked right now. Shoot. Oh, the live's gonna end in 4 minutes. Well, guys, I guess this is it. We'll talk to you later. Be safe today. Bye.